Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question if you can use a discount or promo code on Weathertech. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to head on over to weathertech.com, and now I'm going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to click on here, click on some fridge mats, or maybe even garage wall protector. So I'm just going to add one of these to my cart. Now basically I want to head out to the checkout section. So I'm going to go to checkout, and now on the checkout page, this is where you typically can find if you can use promo or discount codes. So if we can see here, there is no place to put in a promo code. They've got gift cards, they accept gift cards, but no promo codes. So at this point in time, they do not allow promo or discount codes on WeatherTech. And if I go into their facts section of their website, it says here, I found a coupon code for my WeatherTech purchase on a third-party discount site, but I'm not sure how to redeem the code. And WeatherTech states that they do not offer or honor any coupons or discounts through any third-party coupon discount sites. But this could change in the not too distant future, so keep an eye out if they do change their way their site is run.